Hi guys, this is Daniel from FND. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert your photo into 3D cartoon image using your Android phone. We are going to use the app called Voila. So let's get started. Open Play Store from your phone. Search for Voila, V-O-I-L-A, and select Voila AI Artist Photo to Cartoon Face Art Editor and install it. After installing, open the app. Inside the app, we can see options called 3D Cartoon, Renaissance, 2D Cartoon and Caricature. In this video, we are going to convert our image to 3D Cartoon. So click on the 3D Cartoon option. You can take photo from your camera or you can choose celebrities photos from online using that option, or else you can select the photo from your gallery. To select photo from the gallery, you need to grant permission to the app. Now select the image you need to convert. I'm going to select one image from my gallery. Now the app is processing the image to convert into 3D cartoon. You can see the processed 3D cartoon images. This app gives you 3 different modes of 3D cartoon images: Royalty 3D, Baby 3D, and Cartoon 3D. Select the modes and choose which one suits and looks good for your image. Now I'm going to select another image for this tutorial sake. Now select which mode of 3D cartoon suits for this image. Cartoon 3D looks good for this face, so I'm gonna select this mode. Press the export icon on the top right corner to export this 3D cartoon. This app gives you 3 different types of output. I'm gonna select the third option. Click on save to save this 3D cartoon image to your gallery. If you need to remove watermark from this image, you can use the external app called PicsArt, or you can take screenshot from this app. You can also buy the pro version of Voila for a week or a month or for a year, or else you can use 3-day free trial for removing this watermark. So that's it. This is one of the way you can convert your image to 3D cartoon. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give thumbs up. Subscribe this channel for more future tutorials. Also press the bell icon so that you can get instant notification when I upload a video. Thanks for watching. Bye.